Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series Tachometer gauge. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, a black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog tachometer gauge with a color change button on the front, and a cylinder selection switch on the back that works with 1 through 10 cylinder gasoline applications. Also included in the package, a 2-foot power harness with sensor and power wires, a mounting bracket and hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.